Presenting AI Agents Army, Big Daddy of ChatGPT, your ultimate super AI virtual assistant that can finish hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds. Imagine having hundreds of AI agents, like Army of Agents, like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler, assistant. It can create websites, videos, voiceovers, art images, social posts, ads copies, emails, content, blogs, business plan, marketing plan, idea generator, lead generator, daily to-do list, scheduler, marketing assistance, and more. For you and your clients in seconds using just a keyword. Imagine the level of automation and the army of AI agents who will work like your personal staff to get things done in seconds for you. There's a reason why we call it a big daddy of ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler in business with hundreds of AI capabilities. Look, ChatGPT is good. It started at the age of AI. But ChatGPT still has some limitations. You need to keep giving input text to get output content, no automation. You need to be good at giving prompts. 90% of people still struggle with correct prompts. On the other hand, AI Agents gives you multiple outputs and reuses the automation for future keyword inputs. Let me explain it with an example. Suppose you command create good Twitter post for Ferrari car. AI Agents Army will create beautiful tweet posts for Ferrari. Your next command create FB, Insta, and other social using previous tweet post. It'll create it instantly. Your next command. Using previous FB posts to create a full blog on Ferrari, it'll create it in seconds. Now, ask AI Agents Army to create a video script of 5 minutes using the previous steps. And demand it to write good YouTube video descriptions using previous steps. Ask it to make good PPT on luxury cars. Set this as your automation, and ask AI Agents Army to repeat it for other topics like organic farming, football, cosmetics. Use AI Agent Army to automate hundreds of other tasks and to train other hundreds of agents. Imagine the level of multi-level automation. Army of AI agents. This is the next level of ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler assistant. The good part is, AI Agents Army work in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, choose a task. Step 2, give text prompt or voice command. Step 3, publish to get the task done and voila, profit. Create anything in seconds, be it websites, sales pages, e-com stores, blogs, sales video scripts, AI images, attention-grabbing social post and ads banners, high-converting emails, good SEO strategy plan, long blog content, lead generation strategy, agents for any task, professional PowerPoint presentations, powerful marketing plan for any campaign, powerful business plan, workflow and multi-agents for multiple tasks, and much more. AI Agents Army has powerful agents for creating content, image generation, video creation, presentations, websites, marketing planner, financial planner, idea generators, researcher on any topic, acting as consultant on any topic. It has powerful features like AI content writer, stock library, email writer, prompt templates, SEO optimized content, workflows agents, and 100+ agents to create anything from scratch. The best part is, if you ever compare AI Agents Army to ChatGPT, Simplified, Jasper, or Copy AI, you will feel 10x more power at an unbeatable cost. Cheers to no comparison. And the good news is only for today. AI Agents Army come with a commercial license, which means you can manage clients' campaigns from your dashboard and charge them any amount you want, make any amount of money you want. Do you know freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork charge upwards of $500 to $1,000 or more for any marketing task, which you can do in seconds now? Imagine, if you ever put a gig there on Fiverr or Upwork, you will beat all competitions in no time. In fact, AI Agents Army does way more than that and replaces dozens of AI apps all at once. Why waste hundreds of dollars every month when you can have AI Agents Army at a low one-time price? It's your choice. To be on the losing side by struggling to get traffic or winning side of AI Agents Army to get you millions of free traffic. You will be able to create a website, videos, images, content, plans, and ideas and get anything possible with an army of your own. 1,000s of AI bots working for you for every scenario in any business, 24/7, even when you sleep. But beware, AI Agents Army will turn into 197 per month immediately after this introductory launch period. Thus, it makes sense to take your AI Agents Army account now before it's too late. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Nothing can be better than having AI Agents Army where AI finishes hundreds of marketing tasks in seconds, saves manual efforts, saves you money. No freelancer or salary payments or high project costs. Make money with commercial license. Create and sell unlimited marketing. Assets for clients, easy to create anything, in seconds. No need to learn tough prompts like ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis, your personal AI butler or assistant. Imagine the level of multi-level automation. You will have army of AI agent. This is the next level of ChatGPT. Everything at such a low one-time price with a money-back guarantee. But this offer is expiring soon, so click on the button below and get AI Agents Army for the lowest price ever. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.